Find out the real reason why Beyoncé skipped the 2016 Emmy Awards and why her fans are furious on social media. Today's Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by Hulu, where you can stream original series, current series episodes the day after they air, hit movies, and more. Beehive, if you watched the Emmys last night, you may be wondering, where was Beyoncé and why the heck didn't she win? The stars came out in full force last night, but there were a few nominees who were MIA, Beyoncé being one of them. Apparently, Queen Bey had planned to attend. Her name was even on the seating chart, but now sources are saying that the real reason she wasn't there is because she had to call in sick, revealing she wanted to be there, but at the last minute decided it would be better if she stayed home because she was really feeling that bad. Yikes, it must have been pretty serious to miss the Emmys. But the biggest surprise for the Beehive was when Beyoncé's Lemonade didn't win in the category of Outstanding Directing for a Variety Special. In the end, she lost to Fox's musical production of Grease Live, and fans are freaking out on social media. Yeah, you better believe the Beehive won't let this one slide, nor should you. Some of the tweets read, "Lemonade lost to Grease Live. We all know Becky with the good hair is behind the mess." Imagine watching Lemonade and saying, "That was good, but Grease Live was better." And the Emmys itself should have been in the memoriam section since it disrespected Beyoncé, referencing back to the 2009 VMAs when Kanye interrupted Taylor Swift's acceptance speech. Even the host of the night, Jimmy Kimmel, joked he wouldn't want to be those guys when Kanye West finds out they beat Beyoncé. But our favorite tweet from the night read, "I don't think Lemonade needed to win an Emmy because it would be like putting a Burger King crown on a glowing orb of eternal light and beauty." But all right, guys, what's done is done, and I want to know all your thoughts on Beyoncé calling in sick to the Emmys in the comment section below. Plus, who do you think should have won, Grease Live or Lemonade, and why? When you're done with that, click right over here to check out the best moments from last night's Emmys, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'm your host, Megan LaMontagne, and I'll see you guys next time. For more Clevver videos, click to the left to find out who was the best dressed at the Emmys, and over to the right for a full 2016 Emmy winners recap. We'd like to thank Hulu for sponsoring this episode of Newsfeed. Stream your favorite TV shows, hit movies, and more. Hulu, come TV with us.